Hello folks, welcome back to BeMe Tech. On our last video we learned how to create just a simple calculator form. Today we are going to write code for the calculator so as it can perform calculations like a normal calculator. If you have not watched the video on how to create the form, I suggest that first you pause this video, scroll down to this video description and click the link to watch that video. If you have already watched, great. Let's get to it. We switch to source mode, to write the code. First we going to define variables. After that, we go back to design mode. Double-click on the addition button, it will direct back to source mode. We are going to create an event that will happen once this operation buttons are clicked. We are going to select this code block and copy it, then go back to design mode, double-click on the other operations and pasting this code, then we change the respective sign. Done. Now we are going to code the event that will happen when the enter button is clicked. Double-click on the enter button. We create case for the operations. When We copy this case and paste it 3 times for the other operations. Now we move on to the clear button. This button is going to clear operand 1, operation operand 2 and result text boxes when clicked. Let's code that. Exit button is going to close this calculator once it's clicked. Let's code that. Great, we are done coding. Now let's save whatever we have created. Then we run it to see our work. Hope it works. Congratulations! You can see it was successful. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel for more great videos.